Okay, one more time, take two. Here's our nice clean carb. We put it in sonic cleaner with a little bit of simple green, I think it was, and it's all clean. The only reason I took the diaphragm out was I accidentally pushed this needle out. So now I'm debating on whether to use the new needle. And this old needle seat here was brass, and it cleaned up pretty good. It's got a 1.5 marking on it. And here is the new one, and it is not brass. I'm kind of partial to the brass, but I think I'll use that one, providing it checks out with that. And whoop, there goes my air compressor. Be quiet, old girl. So where was I? Oh yeah. So I may be putting some of the new stuff in, but after I clean all this up, it looks pretty good. So we'll work all that out as I go here. And that's all for now, folks. The rest of it looks pretty good. See ya.